Hi guys, this is Graham. I'm here at Glow Community Center, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to do a whip catch. It looks like this. A few steps for this one. To break it down, first step, a loop as always. Second step, you're gonna give both sticks to your right hand. Now make sure when you're giving your stick to your right hand, your sticks make a V shape, like that. Not like this. You won't be able to whip like this. You have to make sure your sticks are in an open V shape. After that, you're gonna use your left hand, pull out this left string with your thumb, and then gently toss the yo-yo onto both strings. One more time. It was like this. You're gonna pull out with the left thumb, gently toss onto both strings. And you should end up in this position. One more time. Unloop. Both sticks in your right hand in a V shape. Left hand pulls it out. Gentle toss onto both strings. Now, or you have to turn, stand right on the right side of the yo-yo, like this. This should be the position you're in right now. Now, to whip, you're gonna gently toss the yo-yo and then release this finger, your left hand. Toss and release. One more time. Here, you're gonna toss it out and release your left hand. Now, the toss, it should be right here, arm's length away. Not too high, not too low, and not too far away. Because when you whip, that's the sweet spot. Right here. You're gonna whip when the yo-yo is right there. So you have to make sure your toss is really accurate. Now, the whipping motion. You have to make sure, once again, your sticks are in a V shape. After you toss, your right hand, you're gonna go behind your back and whip like a fishing motion. Toss, back, and whip. One more time. Toss, and whip. Now you're probably wondering how the whip works. The yo-yo's right here, your sticks are in this position. Right hand's back. When you whip, you're gonna use this left stick to aim at the center, at the axle of the yo-yo. Back, aim, and your string should whip the front cup of the yo-yo, like so. Here, up, aim, and back. Toss, aim, and back. It should come back to your right side or right in front of you. One more time. Here. And back. Some common mistakes when learning the whip. The biggest one is not remembering to keep your stick in a V shape. If your sticks are closed, this is what's gonna happen. You won't be able to whip the yo-yo. You have to make sure your sticks are opened for the strings to actually go around the cup. When you're setting up for the whip, giving both sticks to your right hand, you have to make sure it's in a V and it stays in that position. Second mistake, a lot of people forget to turn and they try to whip like this, in this position. You're gonna have to turn before you whip, release, and then do the whip. Some extensions. After you're comfortable with the whip, if you've already learned a figure eight, you could go right into a figure eight after a whip. To recap the whip catch, unloop yo-yo. V-shaped sticks in one hand, left hand pulls out, tiny toss onto both strings, turn, toss, whip. That's it for the whip catch. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.